Okay, we are all checked in to the front desk at the Hyatt and checked into the hotel. The Grand Hyatt. It's the first time I've been asked for my rewards number, but I do appreciate it. Wow. Oh, and here, look at that, glowing. It's not a big deal by any means, but it's a nice little touch to have a electrified light symbol for the room number 620 is mine. So this is the Grand Suite. Here's the main TV, and there is, oh wow, what a view. A lobby view right there. Oh my god, the apron views. Oh my goodness gracious. There's the Nimitz Freeway. Top Golf Center down there, or their equivalent. Way off in the distance, can't really see it too well there at the moment. Main apron view for, looks like, G-gates. And the main air traffic control tower. Look at that, and air train stops. But goodness gracious. Okay, we'll take a look around here, give you guys a little tour. This is as new for you as it is for me. Quietly so, as new for you as it is for me. Oh, look at that, they have Nespresso. Not the first time I have been offered Nespresso in a hotel, but a nice touch. Toilet and full service sink. Very interesting looking sink right there. Here's the main bed. They're very nice, actually. Very nice. King size bed right there. Now, I wasn't intending to get the Grand Suite when I booked the hotel, but it was the only room they had available with a king size bed, and I don't know about y'all, but I like to starfish on my bed. It's quite nice, quite refreshing. More apron views. Interesting plane right there, has no markings. Just a green stripe. The one I'm pointing the camera at right now. Oh my, and look at this. Full faux marble. I can't imagine they would have real marble. Countertop. Bowman. Please help conserve. Go Grand. And the piece de resistance. Look at that deep tub. I'm going to try that out either tonight or tomorrow. Now, is this the most spacious suite I've seen in? No. Interesting, they padded it up. But overall, I am impressed. However, I have been more impressed with other hotels. But this is very good for Hyatt. But is it worth $2,000 a night? No. You're paying for the privilege of looking out at the tarmac, or apron, sorry, at the apron, and looking at the different planes. Oh, and look at that. Plane spotter guide, A320, A330, A350, A380, Boeings. That is very cool. I love it. This is an aviation nerd's wet dream. I've got to, and they provide binoculars too. If you wish to take these binoculars home, a $45 charge will be added to your account. That's fair. That's very fair. Not that expensive, but still pricey and enough to be a deterrent. Oh, look at that. So it briefly shows you who's outside your room at any given point in time. That is nifty, I must say. But, again, isn't it the greatest hotel ever? No. Ooh, look at that. Qatar Airways. That is an A350. A350-900 XWB. Texting out. Okay, everyone. But yeah, as I was saying, is this the greatest hotel ever? No. But it is a perennial must-stay hotel for avgeeks and aviation lovers alike. So we have got to keep that in mind. So overall, I give this a 7 out of 10 on the overall scale. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the air.